In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to change the cabin air filter in the 2017 to 2022 Kia Sportage. I like to use these 4-stage HEPA filters. They're fairly reasonable priced. You can go ahead and change these once a year. It's going to keep that air nice and clean inside your vehicle. Let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and open up your passenger door. Open up your glove box. Remove all of your prized possessions out of your glove box. Manuals, papers, anything like that. You want to make your glove box empty. On the side of your glove box closest to your door, you're going to be looking at that piece right there. We need to go ahead and pop that off. You want to get behind here with your finger and we're going to pop it out this way. Now as you come inside your glove box, both on the left and the right side, you're going to have these fasteners right here. Go ahead and remove those on both sides. You're going to turn to the left or counterclockwise, and that's what those two pieces look like removed. Now with those removed, go ahead and lower your glove box all the way down. And now the cabin air filter is going to be right up here to the top. This is the cabin air filter door cover. It's going to be a little squeeze tab right over here on this side. Now to take this door off, you're basically going to be pinching with your fingers and then just pull towards you. And then the door is going to come right out. Now right there reveals our cabin air filter. Go ahead and grab it and pull it out. Take a look inside there. If it's been a long time since it's been changed, go ahead and shove a vacuum cleaner hose in there and suck out any debris. Now we're going to go ahead and install our new Pure Flow 4-stage HEPA filter. As you can see, it's not square, it's rectangle. So it's going to install like this. You just want to make sure that the arrows are pointing down. Reattach the door. As you can see, that tab on the right side is going to go inside that slot like that. Just swing it over and push it into place till it snaps. You can swing your glove box up and reattach this arm. Just simply push it in place till you hear it snap. Now with that arm in place, it will hold your glove box up a little bit. So now we need to put on those two fasteners. You're going to push up just a little bit, line up the holes, and turn them clockwise until they tighten up. Have all three fasteners in place. Go ahead and close up the glove box. Reopen. Just make sure everything worked good before you put all your stuff back in it. Install all your valuables, close it up. And that's all there is to it, guys. Congratulate yourself on not taking it to a dealership. You've done this all on your own. You've saved a little bit of time and money. I'll put a link in the description below how to get this cabin air filter off Amazon, and I thank you for watching.